Electrical circuit analysis or circuit theory, Anna University and dot syllabus. First unit for Anna University syllabus. Mesh current. In this video, we see mesh current analysis, DC circuit, three meshes circuits. Problems we solved. We find out mesh currents and branch currents. Kindly see in this video. Man Engineering welcomes you all. In this subject, we see three meshes circuit, mesh current analysis, Anna University and dot syllabus. Kindly noted. Previous video, I explained model questions and model formulae for mesh current analysis. Kindly noted. That is 24th class. Circuit shown in figure. Solve the problem by mesh current method. Put I1, I2, I3 mesh current directions. Mesh 1 and mesh 2 and mesh 3. That is three meshes consist that circuits. 50 volts supplied plus minus to plus. Consider I1 direction that is minus to plus, that is rising voltages. Left side put minus a. Kirchhoff's voltage law apply. The algebraic sum of the voltages around a closed circle is 0. And Ohm's law apply. 6 and 5 and 18, 4 and 4 ohm resistance. Mesh 1 contain 6 and 5 ohm resistance. Mesh 2 contain 18, 5 and 4 resistance. Mesh 3 contain 4 and 4 resistance. Mesh 1 and 2 common resistances, common element is 5. And mesh 2 and 3 and common element is 4. Form the matrix format. Mesh 1 contains 6 and 5, so 6 plus 5. Mesh 2 contain 18 and 5 and 4, so 18 plus 5 plus 4. Mesh 3 contain 4 plus 4, that is 2 element contain. Cross first matrix cross element C. First and second meshes common element 5, put minus 5. And second and first meshes common element minus 5, put minus 5. First and third common element 0, put 0. And common element for second and third is 4, put minus sign, minus 4. Shown it notes I1, I2, I3. 50, 0, 0, minus 2 plus. Left side put minus and right side put plus sign. There plus 50 volt. We obtain matrix format. 11 minus 5, 0, minus 5, 27, minus 4, 0, minus 4, A. And voltage matrix is 50, 0, 0. I1, I2, I3. Take inverse matrix. Assume A. Find A inverse and determinant A value and adjacent A cofactor matrix. Matrix multiplication. That is important for mesh current analysis. Kindly read matrix multiplications. A inverse. Find out A inverse and determinant value. Kindly read. Determinant value A is equal to 2000. We find out A inverse is 1 divided by 2000 into cofactor matrix into voltage matrix 50, 0, 0. Voltage matrix is 0, 0. So if we put anything is into 0 is 0. So put any. I1, I2, I3 matrix is 1 divided by 2000. We obtain 1 divided by 2000, 200 into 50, 40 into 50, 20 into 50. That is 1 divided by 2000, 10,000, 2,000, 1,000 matrix value. Finally, we find out I1, I2, I3 values are phi 1.5. Finally, mesh currents I1, I2, I3 values are find out. Phi and phi 1.5. Capital I1 is 5 ampere, I2 is 1 ampere, I3 is 0.5 ampere. From question circuit, we find out branch currents or element currents values. Formula I1 is small I1. Upon the mesh current capital I1. Small I2 depends upon the mesh current I2 and I1, that is opposite direction. So put I2 minus I1. Put minus I for I1. Small branch current I3 depends upon the mesh current I2. So put I2. I4, small I4 branch current depends upon the mesh current I2 and I3. And I3 and I2 are opposite direction. So put minus sign for minus I2, I3 minus I2 for I4. Small I5 is depends on the mesh current only I3. So I5, small I5 is capital I3. This is obtained from, we assume the directions from question circuits and mesh currents I1, I2, I3. Put mesh current capital I1, I2, I3 values. We want obtain small I1, I2, I3, I4, I5 branch currents or elements currents. We find out end value. Small I1 is 5 ampere, I2 is minus 4 ampere, I3 is 1 ampere, I4 is minus 0.5 ampere, small I5 is zero point 0.5 ampere. That is answer. That is mesh current. Kirchhoff's voltage law and apply and Ohm's law is apply. Ohm's law is V is IR. Kirchhoff's voltage is the algebraic sum of the total voltage around a closed loop is 0. That is Anna University syllabus and dot syllabus. Anna University syllabus first unit. That is 24th class. Man engineering, thank you.